One of our core values at Action Engineering is continuous improvement. So I thought that I would reflect on what happened in 2024 for us, for the community. 2024, definitely a year of productivity and of learning. And the biggest insight is probably not a surprise to you that I think is that MBD and semantic PMI is back. And with that focus comes a few trends and a few challenges. So I will lay those on you. The first one, understanding GD&T for MBD takes years of practice. And this is challenging because effective training is flat out costly. Anybody agree? Yes. All right, number 2, understanding modeling rules for MBD takes also years of practice. And this is challenging because if I know people in this room have written these 500-page Word documents of text is kind of ineffective. It's not getting people to understand what needs to happen with the modeling rules. Number 3, industry standards for MBD are incomplete. This is challenging because there is a bigger vision of digital 3D data to support the digital thread, digital twin, and digital engineering automation opportunities. In short, we're kind of not done yet. Number 4, user and automation testing of software technologies is basic. And that is a challenge because we don't yet trust the technologies. Number 5, the level of practice for MBD authoring and consumption is also basic. And that is a challenge because we don't trust each other's data. Number 6, a comprehensive data acquisition strategy is needed. It's really not enough to just ask for a step or ask for a 3D PDF. We need a deeper understanding of the CAD and the model-based definition data elements that are moved across the enterprise, and this is a necessary strategy that we need to put in place. Finally, number 7, and this one has become particularly important for our learning in 2024, a source MBD CAD checking strategy and a roadmap is needed. The source 3D data is of utmost importance. When that's wrong, the consumption's wrong. So at Action Engineering, we tackle these challenges by fostering the adoption of 3D data while motivating a modern workforce. You guys are modern, right? Good. So since this is my 17th year of kind of meeting this mission for our clients, I can break down how to address the 7 2024 trends and challenges into 2 categories. The first one is modernizing technical data. And the second one is standards adoption. 2 specifics that I want to highlight for modernizing technical data is that the contract language that we're all using to define and acquire MBD and MBE related data needs careful attention. Along with that, the specific requirements from that contract language must be tested within the software technologies using the industry standards they invoke for efficacy. Standards, information, there's some other points here around modernizing technical data, but I want to point out the next set. So standards, whether they're your corporate standards, or as Mel likes to say, that's little s, and versus the big S for industry standards, which is a good way to think about it. Whether they're your corporate standards, procedures, or you're leveraging industry standards, that's the big S, they require specific use cases and workflow definition to identify technical gaps and to find solutions that are effective. And of course, improving training around any new processes, standards, authoring methods, and technology solutions is just always a must for enterprise-wide adoption.